This is the list of LEGO sets, retiring at the end of July 2026. I must say, we really have some cherries here. Starting it off with Leaf's Caravan, a garden shop, Able Sisters clothing shop, Creative Houses, Seasons of Fun, Statue of Liberty, The Great Pyramid of Giza, Hokusai the Great Wave, Mona Lisa, Tiger, Arctic Explorer Ship, LEGO Delivery Truck, Donut Truck, Helicopter, Fire Truck, a Submarine Remix, Tow Truck, The City Tower, Cool Creative Box, Creative Build and Play Box, Red Dragon, Flowers in Watering Can, Wild Safari Animals, Space Astronaut, Exotic Peacock, Race Plane, Cute Bunny, Space Robot, Lotus Flower, Batman the Classic TV Series Batmobile, Simba the Lion King Cup, Elsa's Ice Palace, Young Simba the Lion King, Cinderella's Dress, Minnie's Pet Hotel, Zoe's Time Owl, Mateo vs Cyberbrain Mac, Caring for Animals at the Farm, Balancing a Stacking Tree, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, a car, Winnie the Pooh's Birthday Party, Friendship Movie Night, Paisley's Room, Music Shop a Apartment, Pony Ranch a Stable, Unicorn a Flamingo Pool Party, Heart Lake City Apartments and Stores, and we got so much more, so make sure to watch part 2.